Welcome to our channel. TP-Link TL-WA850RE extender setup. Plug it in. Take the extender and plug it into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Don't put it in another room yet. Start close so the setup goes smoother. Wait for the LED. The power light should come on. Give it a minute. When it's ready, you'll see the signal LED light up faintly or blink. Press the WPS button on your router. Find the WPS button on your main router. Press it once. It usually blinks to show it's ready to pair. Press the WPS button on the extender. Within 2 minutes, hit the WPS button on the TL-WA850RE. The extender's signal LED should start blinking. That means it's trying to connect. Wait for solid connection. When the LED turns solid blue, the extender has linked with your router. If it's red or doesn't stop blinking, repeat the WPS steps. Move the extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a spot halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it back in. Check the signal strength LED. The little signal bars on the extender tell you if the placement is good. More blue lights equals stronger connection. If it's weak, move it closer to the router. Connect your devices. On your phone or laptop, look for your Wi-Fi list. You'll see your main network name with _X added. Select it and type in your same Wi-Fi password. Test the internet. Open a browser, run a video, or check your apps. Make sure the connection feels stable and faster in the area where you had dead spots before. Save the spot. Once you find the sweet spot where the LED shows strong and your devices have the strong connectivity, just leave the extender there. You don't need to set it up again unless you reset it. Your TP-Link TL-WA850RE setup has been finished and it is ready to boost your Wi-Fi. The key is to find the right placement. Strong signal from the router equals better performance on the extender. Thank you for watching.